Hello and welcome to the first tutorial of MUSE. This is sabirhaque.media and I'll be taking you through the first interface of the MUSE and also some basic understanding of how MUSE works and the wonderful use of master pages in creating elements in your website which you can repeat across different pages. If you're new to web design, then MUSE would be a great way to start because you will not be bogged down by codes. You'll never see a code. Everything that you do here, MUSE is adding code by itself in the background. So to give you a basic idea how MUSE looks like, let me close all the small windows here. All right, so this is basically my website structure, what we also call as a site map. Now I will take you through the various steps of building a website and what all steps you should follow, but ideally you should have a very clear picture as to what kind of content your website requires, how many pages your website should have, and the structure. So if you look at this particular way, I have a home page, all right, and then I have a blog page. If I want to add anything to my blog, if I want to add an additional page below as a sub page, I can click here. It will create an automatic one more page. It will ask me to give the name. Since I don't require it, so I'll delete it. Same way I've actually built it pages here. I have this main pages in my website, and what you see below are the individual pages or the sub pages I've created. Now it is very important for you to understand that in MUSE you have something called master pages. So any element you want to place to all your pages or to selected number of pages, you can use your master page. Now if I go to home page, for example, I can see all these elements here. If I want to click, it's not going to click. All right, there's nothing wrong with my layers are all open, but I'm not going to click. I can't click it. The reason why, because this is coming from the master page. If I go back to my sitemap and I double click on the A master, as you can see, every page here is following A master as a master page. All right, so if I go to A master, I can see what I have built here. If I move something here, or something like this, and I go back to my portfolio page, you'll see every page it has moved, and again I can't select, I can't edit anything out. So that's how MUSE works basically, and it would be it becomes very easy for you. How? Because you first build your sitemap here, you start putting elements in your master page which you want to repeat across all the pages, and that's pretty much how you work. In the next tutorial, I'll tell you how to create a page from scratch, and I'll tell you how you can add elements to it, ranging from text to objects, and so on and so forth. Thank you. See you in the next video.